Let us look at the fifth problem. The problem here is the mean and standard deviation of 20 observations are found to be 10 and 2 respectively. On rechecking, it was found that an observation 8 was incorrect. Calculate the correct mean and standard deviation in each of the following cases. So, the first case is if wrong item is omitted. Second case is if it is replaced by 12. So, what is given in the problem is the mean and standard deviation of 20 observations. Okay. Then they are rechecking the problem and they find that the observation which is 8 was incorrect. Okay. Now we have to calculate the correct mean and standard deviation in each of the following if the wrong item, that is this observation 8, is omitted, and second if this observation 8 is replaced by 12. So, let us start solving this problem. Solution. So, first of all we have to consider the incorrect mean. So, incorrect mean let us take here, and incorrect mean is 10, right. Now, this implies incorrect mean. So, mean how to find? Sum of all the observations divided by the number of observations, that is summation I going from 1 to 20 xi divided by 20 equal to 10. Okay. So, this is incorrect, right? This is incorrect because we are taking 8 in that. Okay. So, this implies 1 by 20 into incorrect summation I going from 1 to 20 xi is equal to 10. So, that means this implies incorrect sum I going from 1 to 20 xi is equal to 20 can be taken on the right hand side. So, we will get 200 here, right. So, that means now we can say that the incorrect sum of observations is equal to 200. So, this will be our equation 1. Okay. Now, we will consider the incorrect standard deviation. So, incorrect standard deviation is 2. So, also incorrect standard deviation is equal to 2, right. So, this implies, so the incorrect summation I going from 1 to 20. So, we will now use the formula of standard deviation, which is not the standard formula, there is another formula. So, the formula is this root of 1 by n. N is nothing but the 20 number. Okay. Incorrect summation I going from 1 to 20 xi square minus bracket incorrect mean the whole square. Okay. So, the actual formula is 1 by n summation I going from 20 xi square minus mean square, right. But since we are taking incorrect standard deviation, we have to write incorrect here. Okay, because the sum is incorrect, and so incorrect xi square here and incorrect mean is equal to 2. Okay. So, this implies root of n is 20, right. So, 1 by 20 incorrect summation I going from 1 to 20 xi square minus incorrect mean is given as 10. So, we will get 10 square here equal to 2. So this implies root of 1 by 20 into incorrect summation I going from 1 to 20 xi square minus 100 equal to 2. Now we will square both sides. So what we will get is 1 by 20 incorrect sum I going from 1 to 20 xi square minus 100 equal to 4, right. So this implies 1 by 20 incorrect summation I going from 1 to 20 xi square equal to minus 100 will go on the other side, it will be plus 100, 4 plus 100 will be 104. So this implies incorrect summation I going from 1 to 20 xi square is equal to 104 times 20. So 0802, so 2080. Okay. So we will call this as equation number 2. Okay. So now we will go to the first part of the question here. So that is, we have to find correct mean and standard deviation if wrong item is omitted. So if wrong item 8 is omitted. Okay. Now from 1 what we get? From 1 we have incorrect summation I going from 1 to 20 xi is equal to 200, right. Here we had got this. So this, so it is 200. So that means if you want to find the correct sum, so this implies correct sum of observations, okay, will be equal to what? Incorrect sum of observations okay minus this 8, because we have to omit it. So that means it is nothing but 200, right. Incorrect sum of observations is 200 minus 8, which is nothing but 192, right. Now we can find the correct mean. So correct mean will be equal to correct sum of observations okay into the total number of observations. Now since we have omitted one observations, that means the total observations are 19, right. So this will be equal to, so 192 divided by 19. Let us find out 192 divided by 19. 19 ones are 19, right. So 0, so 2 I have taken here. So 2 is smaller than 19, so 0 here. So 0 now, extra 0, so point. So 19 ones are 19, then again 1 will remain, so 0. Still 10 is smaller than 19, so 1 more 0, so here 0 we will get. So that means the answer is 10.1 correct mean. Okay. Now we can find out the correct standard deviation. So correct standard deviation, will be equal to root of 1 by 19, because there are 19 observations, into the correct correct summation I going from 1 to 19 xi square minus correct mean square. Okay, correct mean square. So now what we have to find is the correct summation I going from 1 to 19 xi square. So for that, let us see what we have to do. Correct summation I going from 1 to 19 xi square will be equal to incorrect summation xi going from 1 to 20 xi square minus 8 square, right, because 8 we have omitted, so minus 8 square. So what is incorrect summation I going from xi square? It is 2080, right? So 2080 minus 64. This is from equation 2. Okay, equation 2. Now this will be equal to what? 2080 minus 64. So 1 borrowed 7 here. So 6102. So 2016, right? Now we can find the correct standard deviation. So correct standard deviation will be equal to root of 1 by 19 into the correct summation I going from 1 to 19 xi square is 2016 minus correct mean is this, so 10.1 the whole square. Okay, so this is equal to, now let us divide 2016 by 19 here. So 19 ones are 19, 1 remains. Okay, so 1 borrowed here. So 11 is smaller than 19, so 0, right? Then we can take this 16 down here. So 19 5s are, let us see, 5 9s are 45. So it is 95. So 19 6s are, let us see, 9 6 are 54. 11, yeah. So 19 6 are 114. So 2, right? Now extra 0 we have to take, so point here. So 19 ones are 19, again 1 remains, 0, so 0 here. Okay, so 1 more 0 here, 19 5s are. Okay, so what we will get is root of 106.10 minus, let us calculate 10.1 square. 10.1 square, 1 ones are 1, 0 1 plus 0 0 0 plus 1 0 1. Okay, so 1 0 2 0 1, so 102.01. so that means root of, let us now see what is 106.10 minus 102.01. so 1 borrowed here, this 0 remains, so 0 0 4, right, 0. So here 1 is borrowed, right? So this is 9, sorry. So 4.09. Okay, now let us find the root of 4.09. So 2 digits we have to select, right? okay, so 4.09, so two digits we have to select. 2 2s are 4, right? Then 0 here, so point, right? Then again this 0 is there, so this 0, and then 9 we can take down, that means 40 we will get. Okay, 40. So again what will happen is you have to take more 2 zeros, so 4 0, 5 times 5, let us see, so 25 2. Okay, so let us take 4 0, 3 into 3, 9 0. Okay, 4 0, 2 into 2, that means 804. Okay, so 2 you will get here, so this means the answer is 2.02. okay, so this is the correct standard deviation. So that is the first part of the problem. Now let us go to the second part. Now in second part, what we have to look at is this: if it is replaced by 12. Okay, so if observation 8, if 8 is replaced by 12. Okay, now let us look at the correct sum of observations. Okay, so correct sum of 20 observations, because the wrong observation is replaced. Okay, so correct sum of 20 observations is equal to incorrect sum of observations, right? Then minus 8, because 8 is replaced and 12 is added, so plus 12. So that means what we will get is 200, because incorrect sum of observations was 200 here. Okay, incorrect sum of observations here incorrect sum of observations is equal to 200, and plus minus 8 plus 12 is 4, so that means 204. Okay, is the correct sum of 20 observations. Now we can find the correct mean. So correct mean of 20 observations is equal to correct sum of 20 observations okay, divided by 20. So that means 204 divided by 20, so that means 20.4 divided by 2, so that means 10.2. okay, this is the correct mean of 20 observations. Now let us find out correct standard deviation of 20 observations. Correct standard deviation of 20 observations. So this will be equal to root of 1 by n, so 1 by 20 into correct summation I going from 1 to 20 xi square, okay, minus the correct mean correct mean the whole square. Okay, so first let us find out the correct summation I going from xi square. So correct summation I going from 1 to 20 xi square is equal to incorrect. Summation I going from 1 to 20 xi square minus we have to delete the 8 observations, right? So minus 8 square because it is xi square, minus 8 square and add what, 12 square. Okay, so this is equal to incorrect. Summation I going from 1 to 20 xi square is here 2080. Okay, so 2080 minus 64 plus 144. So this is from 2. Okay, this will be equal to 2080 and we have to do 144 minus 64. So 0, then 14 minus 6 is 8, right? So 80, so plus 80 here. So that means what we will get is 2160, right? 2080 plus 80 is 2160. Now we can find the correct standard deviation. So correct standard deviation will be equal to what, root of 1 by 20 into correct summation I going from 1 to 20 xi square, so that is 2160 minus correct mean square, so 10.2 square. Okay, so that means what you will get is equal to root of 2160 divided by 20 will be what? So these zeros will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and then 0, 2 8s are 16. So 108 minus 10.2 square. So let us find out 10.2 square. So 2 to the 4, 0 2, 0 0 0, then 2 0 1. Okay, 4, okay, 4 0, 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 0 0. Okay, so this 2 to the 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, then plus 0 times 2 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, then plus 2 plus sign. So 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1. So what we got is 2 decimal points, so 104.04. Okay, so that means root of, so 108 minus 104.04. So 1 borrowed, 9 remains here, 7, so 69.3. Okay, so 3.96 is the answer. So root of 3.96 we have to find. So 03.96, two digits we have to select. So 1 ones are 1, then 2 remains here, right? Now point, so now 96 we have to take down, so 2 we have to double here. Okay, so now let us see 25 5s, let us see 5 5s are 25, 125. Okay, then 2 5 9 times 9, let us see, 9 times 9 is 81, 9 times 5 is 45, 45 plus 8 is 53, 9 times 2 is 18, 18 plus 5 is 23. Okay, so let us take 26. Okay, I have taken 259. Okay, we have to take 2 9 that means 29 times 29. 9 times 9 is 81, 9 times 2 is 18 plus 8 is 26. Yeah, this is 9. So 261, that means 5 3, right, 0. Now we have to double 19, so that means we will get 38. So 2 zeros. Now 38 5 times 5, let us see. 5 times 5 is 25, 8 times 5 is 40 plus 2 is 42, 5 times 3 is 15 plus 4 is 19. Okay, so 388 times 8, let us see. 8 times 8 is 64, 8 times 8 is 64 plus 6 is 70, 8 times 3 is 24 plus 7 is 31. Okay, so 8 are, so that means 3104. Okay, so this is the answer, 1.98, okay, approximately. If we do again this, let us see, subtract. If you subtract here, 1 borrowed 9, okay, then 4, so 693, okay, 396. Then so if you double this, that is 693, okay, yeah, so 396. So 0 zeros here, so 396 nines are, let us see, 3969 into 9, 9 nines are 81, 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 8 is 62, 9 nines are 81 plus 6 is 87, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 plus 8, 27 plus 8 is 45, 35, okay, 35. So 9 you will get here, so that means it is 1.989, so that is nothing but 1.99. This is the answer. So this solves the problem number 5 of miscellaneous exercise on chapter 13. So that's it in the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. I will see you in the next video.